Start with the greatest name of Allah, who is the most kind and most merciful. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today is our new topic of biology, which I am going to deliver. The name of that topic is saprotrophic nutrition. Already we studied about the nutrition. What is the nutrition, beta? A nutrition is a food which is used as a diet, which is used for the make the body healthy, make the body's shape, make the body's growth, as well as etc. But now our new topic is saprotrophic nutrition. What? Saprotrophic nutrition. So what is saprotrophic nutrition? In a simple words, I am delivering that a saprotrophic are the example of bacteria. Saprotroph are actually a bacteria. So bacteria are either unicellular or multicellular also. But I write a few names here of the bacteria. There is a fungi, molds, yeast, mushroom. These are also multicellular bacteria. These are also multicellular bacteria. Now, saprotrophic nutrition are also known as decaying nutrition, rotting nutrition. It's mean कि अगर हम इसको सेप्रोट्रॉपिक को समझने की कोशिश करें तो सेप्रोट्रॉपिक एक ऐसे बैक्टीरियाज और ऐसी न्यूट्रिशंस होती हैं जो किसी बैक्टीरिया से किसी जिस्म के अंदर से हासिल करने का नाम कहलाता है। जैसे एक जानदार, जैसे हम वी आर द लिविंग ऑर्गेनिजम्स, बट एज ए लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म हमारे अंदर भी बैक्टीरियाज मौजूद हैं, पर कुछ ऐसे बैक्टीरियाज होते हैं जो किसी जानदार के जिस्म के ऊपर, यानी कि उनके बाहर एक्सटर्नली और प्लस इंटरनली उनका अपना उनके जरिए अपना खाना हासिल करने का नाम जो है वो सेप्रोट्रॉपिक मेथड और सेप्रोट्रॉपिक न्यूट्रिशन कहलाता है। सो नाउ सेप्रोट्रॉपिक्स आई एम डिस्क्राइबिंग द सेप्रोस मींस रोटिन। रोटिन मींस खराब होना, और अगर सिंधी में ऐसा चाहूं तो खराब थियन, and trophic means nutrition. These both are words comes from a Greek language, saprotrophic word. The word is mainly composed in one form, but if we make them break down, if we break down this word, it will convert into the saprotrophic. Sapro means rotin, trophic means nutrition. So now saprotrophic organisms or saprotrophs derive their food from dead and decaying organic material. मीन्स के सेप्रोट्रॉपिक न्यूट्रिशंस वो न्यूट्रिशंस होते हैं जो अपना खाना तो हासिल करते हैं, पर किसके जरिए? फॉर द डेड एंड डिकेइंग ऑर्गेनिक मटेरियल्स. एंड आल्सो आई टोल्ड यू अबाउट द ऑटोट्रॉपिक न्यूट्रिशन एंड हेटरोट्रॉपिक न्यूट्रिशंस डेफिनेशन. द ऑटोट्रॉपिक न्यूट्रिशन आर यूज्ड are used to make their own food in the presence of sunlight. Autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition are not in a position that use their food through the help of sunlight. They are dependent on another side. They are dependent on another animals, another plants, just like we are omnivores also. So plants are autotrophs. They make their own food, but we are the heterotrophs. And saprotrophic nutrition, saprotrophs are also known as bacteria, but saprotrophs is used to make their own food with the help of another bodies. So saprotrophic हमारे पास एक heterotrophic की conditions में आ रहे हैं. So dead organic materials के बाद this mode of nutrition is called saprotrophic nutrition. इस किस्म के तरीके को या इस किस्म के खाना हासिल करने का नाम होता है वो कहलाता है saprotrophic nutrition. So they secrete enzymes. It's a very special point. They secrete enzymes. Who secrete enzymes? Which thing secretes enzymes? What is saprotrophs? I also told you firstly, saprotrophs are also known as bacteria. Saprotrophs are also known as bacteria. So they get their food with the help of another body, but when they get their food, so they release the enzymes. What they release? Enzymes. Enzymes that are released on food material outside their bodies, these enzymes break down complex food into the simple form. And we also known as, we also studied about the chapter number, I think it's chapter number 6. The chapter was enzyme. We also notice that enzymes are the biocatalyzed. Enzymes are only used in the metabolic reactions. Enzymes react with the metabolic reactions. They digest our food. They digest all the kinds of these enzymes digest all the kinds of the food particles which are in a complex form. They convert into the simplest form. So saprotrophs release their enzymes outside of the body, and they break down the complex food into the simplest form. After that, there is a common example of saprotrophs, which are fungi, molds, mushrooms, and yeast. And these all the bacteria, molds, mushrooms, and yeast are the examples of fungi. These are the bacteria which are mainly used in our environment. Mainly they are present in our environment, and these bacteria are also known as saprotroph. Only just as saprotrophs, but the phenomena, the method which they are applied is known as saprotrophic nutrition. Thank you very much.